By popular demand, I finally decided to teach my first in-person class. We're going to learn all the fundamentals of web development, but we're going to do it by building an actual application. I don't want to waste your time on random theories that just don't apply. By the end of this course, you will have your first full web application starting from nothing. 1 week of HTML, 1 week of CSS, 2 weeks of JavaScript. We're also going to cover a bunch of tools like debuggers, Git, terminal, things that you really need to know if you want to be a full-time coder. Also, after the class is done, I'm going to do 3 follow-up sessions with each of you if you need any extra help. I'm super excited to finally be able to do this. I'm only signing up 9 students. I want it to be small and intimate. I want to be able to spend time with everybody. September 8th, all the details and links and stuff probably down here or somewhere. All right, see you there.